Ipitam breakfast ku 104.1 the pumping beat of Factors sing Prince Valley nanomndeni ngisibupheliseni lo sihlanganisela naye mix naye sibuya ngikwamukele lamsakatweni kunjani
Morning ngisha kunjani nini
siyaphila lana ngibona wena ama interview yonke indzawo lamalanga lawo kwentekani ngalama interview phela nale so kwenzakalani uhamba yonke imisakade
I've been on radio Tonyana and I've been talking about my decade in radio as I am celebrating 10 years.
Nice, congratulations. No, siyabongela ngendlela ivele ngayo ngiyabona phela mina nami ngize ngathi ama interview la ngaka no 10 years no kuhle kakhulu
Thank you so much.
Bahlale bevama mix yakho imix yakho lele dlala lana siyaqala xoxisana nawe ngikhuluma nabani wakabantu velaphi
Kamalami ngimsibo Pilson, that's literally my birth name, Sibongile Pilson, originally from Gabogweni, 1245. This is the city of Mbombela, and I've been in the media and entertainment industry for over 10 years now. Yeah.
Mina ngifuna sikhulume ngendaba yoku-DJ, ngifuna kuba honest. Ngikubone makuvela amapiano mina ukuthi wena uyakwati ku-DJ. Yes ngiyakwati mara ku-DJ mina. Ngubonele isikhathi sekuvela amapiano so i-interest loku-DJ ibuye yaphi icaleni?
Well, actually, DJ Angale, I was still in high school, man. Such a DJ, Bombusana, Bolinda, Elokshini. I took a break because it wasn't supported at the time. There weren't any female DJs. I think when Zipla and Sindo came onto the scene and they were big, the love for DJing was then ignited. And then fast forward 2015, I'm at Rise FM. It only made sense for a radio personality to also do other things. And because I already loved DJing, I thought this is the perfect other thing for me to venture into. And at the time, there was a peak of Amapiano in Soweto. So I used to host events with some of my friends, Soweto, Kamukau Fela, the late DJ Vintos. I sometimes booked them in a sporty. And that's what they were listening to. So I started playing what I believed was the future.
Yeah.
So by the time it popped, I was already accustomed to the sound of Mapiano. Hence my set today has those old sounds, those old tracks that actually made Mapiano boom.
Yeah.
Back then, yeah.
Bo DJ yani kuqala lesikhathi usadlala because njengoba ngishilo ukuthi mina ngikwati ngesound yamapiano bo DJ ini tukwe sound
DJing house ngoba vele beknayo, you know. A little bit of black coffee. I used to love some DJ Cleo, those old school compilations from Botogzini, Bo DJ Fresh, with Bocure and the Cause. I mean, the songs that are hit house songs now are what was booming really back then. Because that was influenced by my older sisters, I was listening to what they were listening to. So that's what I was playing, Bo Oskido. It was a vibe, and I enjoyed it. That's where my love even for house music stems from.
Labo DJ lokuza kukhuluma ngabo banokurelease music la kunengoma ye-Housekeepers kuna Crazy M then kunawe laphana bebakhuluma ngayo ukuthi wena usabambeki lapha masokuthole masihlekisana vele so yini kwende ukuthi wena ube interested because uvela uthi uyathandzela house music and ukuthi no nami ngibe nesinging man leyi-one lapha.
And a very big thank you to BCRFM for playing our music. I collaborated with the Housekeepers a few years ago and released Agasabambigi with Crazy M. And I was so excited when I heard it this morning. I even called Umto and I was like, they're playing our song. Which is ironic because it's currently working on new music that we're going to be releasing this year. So please watch out for that. Another collaboration from the Housekeepers and Sibo Wilson definitely coming out.
Lokhu jayiva kuvele nalama dance emapiano kumbe vele bo jayiva nakuqala kumbe lama dance asale asita ukuthi hayi na udongena vele babone ngathi mhlambe vele u strong like jayiveni.
I think I love music that makes me move and feel good and forget thinking at Shaba. And that's what commercial sounds do for me. So yeah, it's really
Man DJ most DJ banokubreak ama records mina kunengoma lebengayathi ngibone ngawe uyiveta la ku social media ene mina bengisi mhlambe ukutuke gig na MC kunale ngoma lethi So ngifuna kuthola ukuthi ngiyiphi favorite song yakho because uma ngikubona ushaya le ngoma le ngacala ngahleka phela but I was surprised mangiyibona le ngoma ukuthi oyingoma vele le existako le khona. So ngiyiphi ingoma yakho loyithandzako nyalo kumapiano?
Yo, my current favorite song in my piano. I'm not even sure if I can sing this on radio.
Oyele le tingoma takho.
I love that song. But it's currently hard. I feel like it's a simple sound. It still has the long drum. It still has that drop that makes us, groove to my piano. It's such a clean song. I get my lyrics. Song is such good.
Yeah. No, thina besifuna ukubungata. I don't know ukuthi sihlanganisa ngakho iminyaka mina nawe ngeke sifike ku 10 years but so sila radio mina nawe usilethela ama mix ngaso zonke isikhathi. So besifuna ukubungata sikucelebrate. Ngiyajabula ukuthi sibe nathi iparty ya 10 years yakho. So lo usilethela imix ucontribute la msakadweni. Sibonge kakhulu, sabonga kakhulu. Siyajayiva sohlala sijayiva futhi so sibonge contribution yakho ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Anytime, and thank you so much for the platform. I don't take it for granted. I appreciate it so much, and I appreciate you so much, Feli. Thank you so much.
Silenzele lo music lo musha ngende kudobe sowutholakele lapha ngoba kulebe basawusabambeki.
So dala ku busy art for the first time. Awuyinzawo so lapho.
Then lofuna ukulandzela ku social media na lofuna ukubooka bakuthola ku.
My social media handles are Sibo Pilson on all platforms. My number is 0813 424420, but it is as well available on our social media platforms strictly for booking.
Gambe sukela ngo3 kuya ku6 uyasakata ngini?
Sukela ngo12 kuya ku3 ngiyasakata.
Yeah, usakata kuphela ungasabi la kusekhaya khululeka. Yeah.
Thank you so much for that, really. Mpumalanga's only commercial radio station, Rise FM, where I'm celebrating my decade of radio. So I've been with them for 10 years. So yeah, that's what I do between 12 and 3 ngimgibelo nangelisonto.
Ngicela ungitholele gogo loyi1 lo tokhuluma ngokuthakatha lapha eshowini yakho. Yeah. Okay, sharp sibongile.
Thank you, Pizveli.
Ipizara FM ku 104.1 the pumping bit of a gas. Sekufuna sambe. Sekufuna sambe lana.
It's about that time.
Angathi uSPO uyokhuluma nalo sesilongendeka nawo sokuhlanganisa manje.
No, anginazo.
Okay. Yeah, no, liphela la lihlelo indlebe esikhanyelanga sokukhona la ne Youth Unplugged la melibito ngePrinceville nginanomndeni. Sitonibona kuleli viki lelitaba.